Hello, I'm Eric Nordstrom, and I'm here to tell you how we make one of these videos that you're watching. Now, this is the way I make videos. Everyone else here probably does it slightly differently, but I'll walk you through my process. To me, I feel like the video making process is a few main steps. Getting your prompt, thinking about what you're going to record and how you're going to record it, and then editing. We can go step by step for this. So let's start with the first part. Step 1, the prompt. The video making process always starts for us students as a teacher or instructor giving us a prompt or instructions to go out and record something. Definitely one of the creative aspects of the video making process, but maybe not my favorite part. Let's move on to this next part of the video making process. Step 2, the filming and the recording. Next, we would have what I would call is the hardest part of the video making process, because you need to learn how to schedule and plan out your recording times. You get to show your creative ideas, filming, and getting footage. Now, onto what I would call my favorite part of the video making process is Step 3, the editing. My general process I use for editing is place B-roll or background footage to hide the cuts. Next, I'd go pick out some music that would fit the type of video I'm making. Conclusion. The video making process is complicated, but not overly difficult. It is a creative outlet for your ideas to be able to illustrate what you are thinking. I hope this video gave you a decent idea of how exactly one of these videos made you think. Anyways, that's all I have for you today. Have fun with the rest of the show, and thanks for watching.